What's up, my 35ers? My name is Dallin, and oh my gosh, what am I doing? Today, I'm gonna be Pokeball. I'm gonna be drawing a picture or something awesome for my friend Esteban, which you probably know. Go check out his channel. I'm pretty sure I'll link it into the description. So let me just get a piece of paper. I got my markers too, because I'm gonna need those today. Oh crap, sorry guys. Right now, we're gonna need some paper. Pooping paper. Oh, a blank piece of paper. Okay. So I'll just put this down where you can see the paper. Why is the lighting so crappy? Oh, it's all my fault. That's why. Wait, let me see. Oh no, but here we go. I'm gonna start off by drawing a square. Frick. Can't even draw right. It's like so bumpy on this table. Do I have something like flat I can use as like sure. Just use this Ireland book. As you can probably see, it's the YouTube play button. Yeah, it's a YouTube play button, but it's not an ordinary YouTube play button. This is where the markers come in. I'm gonna draw fire colors because you know that's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be called the fire play button because Esteban's favorite element is fire. Ooh, I'm scared I might get marker on this book. Let's do a little test. It's fine. Yeah, we're good. These markers really do come in handy. They ain't even coming through on the back. Not even close. So we're gonna do one part red, because you know fire is pretty red. Most of it's gonna be orange because one, that's like the most part of fire, and two, that's Esteban's favorite color. Whoa! I almost dropped that. There, we're gonna have like a whole middle part just orange. And then the last one's gonna be yellow. There we go. It's all like fire colors. And then he wants his YouTube channel to be called Chorister Gamer 53. It's kind of like backwards 35. Like, I think he might have got that from me, like Shundarm 35, and then he switched it around to 53. I don't know, but what we're gonna do. Chorister. If you don't know what a chorister is, guys, it's a monster from My Singing Monsters. Chorister Gamer. 53. For surpassing awesomeness. And Esteban knew I was going to be drawing this for him. Sorry guys, I have allergies. Esteban knew I was going to be drawing this for him, only he didn't know exactly what, and I said, he would just have to find out when he watches the video. So this is for Esteban, or aka Corster Gamer 53, for surpassing awesomeness. The fire play button. And I bet I know the reason why he has like 7 subscribers now. He used to only have 1. He got 7 subscribers really fast. I think he got them faster than I did. Probably because all you guys went to check out his channel, which if you guys did, I really appreciate that. Thank you guys. But yeah, here's the fire play button for Esteban. Yeah, let me just put this book back. This book wasn't hardly even scratched. There we go. We have the fire play button, people. I'm not gonna give, like, I'll give you more of a right side up view instead of an upside down view. There it is. Fire play button. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in my backpack for Esteban. And oh, and by the way, today I'm gonna be publishing Pokemon Comic Red Series Part 3, which I already made. Now I'm gonna do like the title screen for it, and then I think I'll do episode 4. I'm not entirely sure yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry, I'm gonna put this up to my face. Is this better? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I know I did. This was pretty fun making. I mean, yeah. For Corster Gamer 53, or aka Esteban. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.